Hello there. Let's see Re2PCAP in action. To get started, we'll follow the usage instructions provided in the GitHub page. At this point, we have our Re2PCAP Docker image ready. We'll create and run the Docker container from Re2PCAP Docker image. For this demo, we'll create PCAP for the bug mentioned earlier in the blog post. We can go to the Talos report, take the HTTP raw request, and feed it to Re2PCAP web interface running on localhost 5000. We'll name the PCAP as demo and click on Create PCAP button. We can see the log messages about the steps Re2PCAP is going through in the console on the right. Now we can open the PCAP in Wireshark we can follow the HTTP stream to see the request provided in the PCAP. You can also use the command line utility to interact with the Re2PCAP to get the PCAPs. Thank you for viewing. Have a nice day.